Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about cleaning your canopies and putting in some new tracks. And so here we take a look at the airplane, and we're pointing out, first thing we're going to do is we're going to check our roll pins are in place. And this is how they look when they start. Here's another roll pin coming up. But you want to check your roll pins, both the forward and the back ones, on both sides. And then you're going to pop out the track, and then you're going to pull the rails out, and the rail's going to get nice and cleaned. And then here you are looking at the notches that you put in the old track so that it sits around the roll pin, and this prevents the track from moving forward or aft when you're sliding the canopy on it. So now here's the rail coming out. This one is fairly clean on one side, but you know, we have a historical view of some rails that have come out. You know, they can be in there quite dirty. It takes quite a while, some Q-Tex and alcohol to clean them. But it's well worth the effort. You get them out, you can wash them in a parts washer too. And as you can see, everything's just got the aluminum oxide, dirt and debris all over it, especially around the buttons. And so that all gets cleaned up. And then here they are, scraped down, ready to go through the parts washer. It takes a while to scrub them off, so don't be wearing any clothing you might ever want to re-wear again in public. They look pretty good after they're clean, and then here's the button end, even though in this particular case, those wavy washer springs are upside down. Now, here's the rail all nice and clean, and now we're ready to put the button and the Teflon button, the springs and the Teflon buttons in, and here are the springs in the correct orientation. That way when they press, they're working against the aluminum underneath the button, not working the Teflon button. And now you're going to take the track sizing tool, and now you're going to work your way down the entire track, and you're going to seat the entire track. You may get a little bit of Teflon litter, but that's just making sure the track is perfectly clean. So this is how you go ahead and do that. It's not hard to do at all, and the track looks pretty good when you're done. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.